May I request Major General Dr. Mohan to hand over the copies to Bala and Archana, the daughter and son-in-law of Mrs. Sundarati. You have been a constant source of energy to Mrs. Sundar sir. We have heard a lot about these two through his voice, and today we are seeing them here.
Good morning to dear dignitaries on the stage and to all the cycling enthusiasts and the other friends who are going to become cycling enthusiasts in the future. It's so great to see so much of a crowd on a Sunday morning, isn't it?
Oh yes.
Okay, so I've been given 5 minutes by my dad, so I'll make sure I'll adhere to the 5 minutes. Okay. So, one thing when I saw the book on Pedal Shakti, what I thought was, why a book on Pedal Shakti by my dad who is 70 years old? Why not an autobiography? One of my friends asked me that, what diet does your father follow? What time he sleeps? What he eats? That much of a fan following he has. I don't have that. And I am a big Amitabh Bachchan fan from my childhood, so I knew what a fanboy movement means. So I was thinking that why he didn't opt for an autobiography rather than a book. And then I didn't ask him. In fact, I'm not going to ask him even today. But I've tried to find out this answer through what I see when I traverse through his life. He had a very difficult childhood where he was one of the 7 children. He has 7 children. That was the norm way back in the 50s. And he was the eldest one, so he had to do his education and make sure that all his siblings were also well educated. So that was a big responsibility. He did not shy away that time. He made sure that all of them got a very good education, and also they were well settled. He did not escape his responsibility. Fast forward or probably rewind to 1975, he got married, and he keeps telling me that he earned a meager salary of 450 rupees 25 paise. I don't know what is it, 25 paise. And he told that as soon as he got a job, he got my sister and me. Not that quickly. I mean, it takes time, but since my speech is 5 minutes, I have to do very quickly. And he was having a lot of financial problems. So at that time, what anybody would have thought, okay, we'll try to settle in Madras. That was the place where he was very confident in. But he did not. He came out of his comfort zone and he came to Delhi. And he started to try his luck and get a job there. It's very difficult for people who are from south and coming to north side. You know, all of us, most of us will know. And not only he survived, but he made a very good place for himself. It's a great thing from a non-Hindi background to come there and make a lot of friends, make a good network. So I think we must all have a applause for him. And then what happened was 10 years he did the job and suddenly one day he left the job and he told, I'm doing freelancing. And for people who are in the stage now, all of us know what is freelancing, but at those days we never knew what was freelancing. I thought there was nothing free in life. So what is this freelancing? And then not only became a freelancer, he got a lot of contacts, he consolidated on what he has known and he shared with the others. So that was, I think, he was a pioneer in that and he did what others could think only now. He was far-sighted in his approach. So that was a very great thing. And then 10 to 20 years down the lane, all of us, me and my sister were settled and got married, and suddenly one day he told, I'm going to do cycling. I was thinking, why are you going to break your muscles at this age? I remember those words very specifically. It was as if only yesterday. He told, I'm not going to break many barriers, Bala, and you will see it. And today, this stage and the crowd and the applause is a testimony to whatever he told that day, that he is going to break barriers. I think he has broken many barriers and there are many more barriers to be broken.
And he steals many a heart also.
Yes, he steals many hearts also, and I have to keep on just staring and seeing that. So anyways, my family is there, so I can't. and even his wife is there. But so now I think all of you got an answer why he did not do an autobiography, but he did a book. Because whatever he has learned, he wants to give to you all back, so that all of us can become better persons. He has done the role of a son, a brother, a father, and a husband with a lot of dignity and love. And now the author in him has set foot, and we all must support and come in large numbers. And I think I wish him lots of luck and lots of love in this new avatar. And I want not just one book, but many more books. Autobiography can wait. Thank you.
Thank you, Bala. I think now we know why the book has taken the shape it's taken. With such a loving family around him, no wonder the book has taken this shape. Thank you, Bala, once again.